Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James, and this is Z32 Workshop. This would be a very quick video for anyone involved. It's kind of a last step, kind of forgotten about piece on the engine teardown, which was a while ago. But I am also finally now taking out some of the components that are inside the block that I didn't necessarily take out when I weighed it or anything else, because realistically I should stay with the block, but I got a guy who wants to buy them off me, so they're going with the block because I can't sell it. No one around me wants it, so I don't know if I'll eBay it, which is going to be woefully heavy and a pain about the ship, so I'm not 100% sure yet. So, but anyway, what I'm talking about is the oil squirters. This is an NA block. The oil squirters are mounted on the inside of the block underneath the pistons, so they squirt oil and cool them off. They are different than the twin turbos. I don't know because I've never seen them. I do know Z1 sells them and recommends, if you are going to larger pistons or after stuff, they recommend the NA oil squirters. I'm assuming it's because they just cool better. I'm not necessarily an engine builder, I'm sorry. I do know a lot of stuff. Sometimes I don't know everything. But a guy's willing to pay me for them, so I'm going to sell them. Let me show you where they're at. They're held in, there's 3 for each block. They're held on by 2 bolts. They have at least, I want to say, be 1 copper washer, type of cross washer with them. Let me show you where I'm talking about here, guys. Right here is what I'm going to be getting out of for you guys. See, there's 2 there. There's 2 there. Those are 8 millimeters. I'm also going to pull off these splash things, I'm assuming. If I know their name, I'll throw them up for you guys, just to see what's going on. And that's what those are. And if you're rebuilding any type of motor, you should be able to know what that is to figure it out. Well, I'll say knowing. I'll look it up and throw it on the screen, hopefully. So we're going to pull these out. Shouldn't be too super difficult. Or at least I'm not hoping so anyway. So, tools I'm using, just an 8mm socket, kind of an extension, ratchet, nothing fancy. Let's pull them out and take a look at them here real fast. Let's get you guys set up. This is a pretty easy job, to be honest with you. But you realize you gotta have everything out of the way. There is a torque spec for these. If I'm smart, I'll throw that on screen or bottom in the description for you guys, which should be found in the factory service manual. Oh, there. So there's that guy. Little lady bolt. Nothing too fancy. Yeah, I'm doing this upside down on my floor, not on my engine stand, because I had this thing kind of stored away. To be honest with you. Let's pull shit. There was a little washer in there. See, it's got this. There's a washer right there. High pressure comes in through there. The galley pushes out. So let me see if I can find that washer that slipped away on me, because I ain't being silly. Oh, right there. I'll grab my magnet real fast. Well, if this is copper, I won't be able to do this. We'll find out. Oh, she's steel. Little bitty washer there. From what I understand, those are non-replaceable. Let's go for next one. FYI, these do not feel like they're torqued in with a ton of torque by any means. Pretty loose. We're going to do this back one over here, or that's actually probably the front. started with the rears. Oh. This is pretty easy, guys, and I'm not really talking a whole lot. From what I understand, for clearancing issues, I'm assuming with the pistons, I don't know if it's with the side skirts or why they gotta have them differently. Because this cools the bottom of the piston after it's firing. So it's a good part of the cooling system and oiling. Keeps everything good to go. Here. So yeah, those bolts have little washers with them. For each one, or at least the middle one did. Why didn't that's very odd that the the other one did too. I just didn't see it. Okay. So I'm wrong there. The washers that are on these are on the bolts, which would make a hell of a lot of sense. So yeah, they got washers right there for each one. Come on out. Well, that should do those. Let me pull you on down here so you guys can see a little bit better look. So yeah. Yeah, if you're gonna service the block, you obviously gotta get them out so you can do machine work. That's 100% true. Just like these plates are gonna come out next. Let me pull this one out and see what that looks like, because I want to see what's going on here. Another washer, bolt. Alright, sorry about the cut audio there, guys. This is early morning for me. Hope you guys can see some of this stuff. Once again, this is all 8mm, nothing fancy. I'm assuming that plate's there for oiling in some fashion. That's what my guess would be. Like I said, I'll get the name of this if I can figure it out. A little perturbed, I don't know 100% everything. Alright. As you guys can see, That's for, I'm assuming, oiling passages, oiling, getting it splashed around, lightening the block up. I'm assuming these also come out. Come on, wait, those guys right there. Yeah, that is odd. I don't know why those are plugs of some fashion. I'll throw those on if I know what they are too. Because the other side, you can see all the way through to the ground. Interesting. So yeah, here's your oil squirters, NA oil squirters. Each one, you got bolt with crush washers, or with a washer. Comes in, shoots oil. These are splash shields, I'm assuming. They're just stopping oil from getting where they don't belong or directing it where it needs to be. So yeah, short video, guys. I'll probably speed up a little bit of the stuff. If you guys have any comments or questions, hit me up. I'm pretty responsive. If you need anything from the stuff you see, just once again, reach out. I may still have it, I may not. Who knows? Other than that, take care, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.